Pranam viewers, welcome to the Thirsty Crow and Experiential Learning Program of Haryana Public School, Narnaul. In this program, we are given a topic for research and thereafter made to discuss over it. The topic of our today's discussion is the space visit of Shubhanshu Shukla and its significance for India. I am Khushbu, the moderator of the discussion, and the panelists in the discussion are my schoolmates Hitanshi, Lavanya, Riddhi and Pratap. Let's start with Hitanshi. Who is Shubhanshu Shukla and what is his achievement?
Shubhanshu Shukla is the group captain in the Indian Air Force and an ISRO astronaut. Recently, he has made an history by becoming the first Indian to visit the International Space Station. Currently, he is on board Axiom Mission 4.
Pratap, what is Axiom Mission 4 as all of our viewers maybe don't know about it?
Axiom 4 is a private astronaut mission. It was launched on June 25. Its crew will spend about 14 days aboard the ISS. They will conduct various experiments there. It has been organized in collaboration with NASA. It is a part of India's first human space flight program, the Gaganyaan.
Riddhi, could you throw some light on the project Gaganyaan for the understanding of our viewers?
Sure, Khushbu. Actually, the Gaganyaan is a very ambitious project of ISRO. Under this project, ISRO has sent 3 astronauts in the Earth's orbit for a 3-day mission, which includes Shubhanshu Shukla. It aims at showing India's indigenous capability to undertake human spaceflight.
Which includes Shubhanshu Shukla.
Yeah, Khushbu, that includes Shubhanshu Shukla.
Lavanya, as we know, Shubhanshu Shukla is the first Indian to visit the ISS. Would you please tell what ISS is?
Sure, Khushbu. ISS stands for International Space Station. It is a habitable artificial satellite orbiting the Earth. It serves a unique science laboratory and a home for astronauts. It is a multinational project. The US and Russia are leading partners in it. It moves in Earth's orbit at the speed of 8 km per second.
What is the significance of space mission of Shubhanshu Shukla for India?
With this journey of Shubhanshu Shukla, India has become the 4th country after USA, Russia and China. It is a crucial step towards India's indigenous human space flight program, the Gaganyaan. Mr. Shukla's experience on ISS will provide an indigenous and valuable insights on the future missions.
Pratap, you wanted to say something?
The greatest significance of this visit for us is that it has sparked great national pride in us. It will inspire a whole new generation of scientists, engineers and explorers in our country.
Khushbu, beside this, Axiom 4, highlighting the India's increasing role in international space mission. ISRO collaborated with NASA and SpaceX for this mission.
But at the same time, we must not forget that Mr. Shukla is the pilot of this mission. It's a matter of great pride for us all Indians.
As we are running short of time, I am obliged to conclude this discussion. Thank you for watching us.